Welcome to Factful Finance, where we help you make smarter financial decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of stock investing and uncovering 5 powerful rules for success. Straight from Pat Dorsey, one of the leading experts in the field. But first, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly succeed in the stock market while others struggle? Well, the truth is, there are principles that can help you stand out. Principles that are grounded in logic, research, and years of experience. Now, before we dive into today's insights, remember that this video is for educational purposes only. It's always a good idea to consult a professional for personalized financial advice. Let's get started with rule number 1. Focus on companies with a strong competitive advantage. Pat Dorsey is a firm believer that the key to successful stock investing lies in identifying businesses that can sustain their profits over the long term. Think of it like owning a business that everyone wants to buy from. For example, a company like Apple, which has established its brand and product ecosystem, can maintain an edge over its competitors. So, when you're evaluating stocks, ask yourself, does this company have something unique that will keep customers loyal for years to come? The second rule is invest in companies with predictable and sustainable earnings. While market fluctuations are a normal part of investing, you want to look for companies that generate stable, recurring revenues. Take Coca-Cola, for instance. The company has seen consistent earnings year after year, thanks to its wide-reaching global brand and the constant demand for its beverages. If you can find companies that generate steady cash flow, you'll be in a much stronger position to weather any market storm. Rule number 3. Avoid the noise and think long-term. It's easy to get caught up in the daily headlines and market movements, but successful investors know that short-term volatility is part of the game. What truly matters is the long-term trajectory of the company. Take Amazon, for example. Back when it was just an online bookstore, many thought its business model wouldn't work. Yet, Bezos kept his focus on the bigger picture, and now we see the result: a dominant global retail and cloud services giant. Moving on to rule number 4. Understand the value of a stock before buying. Pat Dorsey emphasizes the importance of doing your research and valuing a company before jumping into a stock. This means understanding its financial health, growth prospects, and risks. Let's take a look at a company like Tesla. While many investors have flocked to it due to its rapid growth, Dorsey would urge you to be cautious if the stock price doesn't align with its underlying fundamentals. Don't buy just because the stock is trending. Invest because the company has value. And finally, rule number 5. Diversify your investments. It's simple yet often overlooked. By spreading your investments across various sectors and industries, you reduce the risk of significant loss. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. For example, rather than only investing in tech stocks, consider a mix of consumer goods, healthcare, and energy stocks to protect yourself from market fluctuations in any single industry. Let's bring this all together with a practical example. Imagine you're starting with a portfolio of $10,000. By following these 5 rules, you could allocate your money wisely into companies with a competitive edge, predictable earnings, and that you truly believe will stand the test of time. Over time, by staying disciplined and diversified, your money could grow, giving you the financial security and wealth you're striving for. Now, we want to hear from you. What's the first step you'll take toward becoming a successful stock investor? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much, Factful Finance. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights to reach your financial goals, why not hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss out on the latest strategies and tips. We think you'll also find the video shown on screen next helpful in reaching your financial objectives. Thanks again for visiting Factful Finance. We're here to make your financial journey a little easier and a lot more successful.